As they were facing problem in trade and commerce, so they have to make a scale, okay, universal scale, what every people use. So now, observing the problems faced by people and nation in measuring, finally in France, it was decided that a certain length would be called a meter, okay. The meter was again divided into equal parts that called centimeters. The centimeters was further divided into 10 equal parts, that is called millimeter. So 1 meter is a standard unit of length. We use meter as a unit of length, and subsequently centimeter and millimeter as a smaller unit of length. Now measuring long distances. So how to measure long distances? Can we measure long distances with the help of a scale? No, we cannot. So how to do it? We use different instruments like plane tape, roll tape, centimeter scale of different sizes and made of wood, metal or plastic, isn't it? In our daily life, we use different sizes of scale made up of wood, metal or plastic. The thickness of an eraser can be measured through a roll tape very easily. But measuring long distances was impossible with meter as measurement. Hence, a larger unit is required to measure large distances. So the larger unit is defined as kilometer. 1 kilometer equals 1000. So measuring length accurately with a meter scale. How to measure the length accurately? That is the big question here, isn't it? So you already know that you use what? Wooden or plastic scale in our day-to-day work, isn't it? It is marked in centimeter and millimeter. We use the meter scale to measure the length of a table and other objects, other small objects, isn't it? So now let's do an activity. Okay? So how to measure the length of this book? For that, place the meter scale on the book such that the 0 mark on the scale should coincide with the one end, okay, like this, one end of the book. And then you have to note that the scale should be kept straight and our eyes also must be vertically above the point of coincidence of scale where the measurement is to be taken. So you have to look like this. You have to put the scale in a straight way and then you have to look at the another point. So this is 27 then 2, isn't it? 27.2 centimeter. So the length of this book is what? 27. How to measure a curved part? Let us perform an activity to measure the length of a curved part. This is a curved part and we are marking reference point from A to E. A, B, C, D, E. Okay? We are marking accordingly. Now take a thread like this. Okay? Fix in point A. Then move the thread along with the points B, C, D and E. Okay? Okay? You have to keep the thread like this and then you have to cut down this remaining part. Okay? So it is hard to cut here. So I am keeping it like this. Okay? So the thread should be neither too loose nor too tight. Okay? So now the thread should be made to coincide with the curve. At the point E, we have to cut the remaining part. So after this, what we have to do? We have to take this thread and we have to keep the thread on the scale like this. Okay? Then we have to measure the length. Okay? So this is 14.4. Okay? So the length of this curved path is what? 14.4 centimeter. Okay? So that is all for today. I hope you have understood the chapter and if you have any doubt you can ask. Thank you.